First position, you turn your head with your arm. And then you to the side, you plie, and then change your arm, head, look outside the arm. And then you open plie, and when you round around, outside the arms here. Okay? So in the adagio, the pose is very important. No matter how you move, but you always have a movement. Hold that pose. This is the first pose. You have hold. 2 counts, okay? Open on 3, breathe on 4. This is another pose. Hold. You see my back is straight and my head turn. This is the pose, okay? Gotta hold this pose before you go, okay? And then you go breathe, 1 arm, 2 counts. And then look at this arm, both arms all the way, circle face front. And then you put it here. Look at your arm. Which arm go? The head go with which arm? Okay? After this, you finish. You sort of stay. Look at when I do Ballet breathe. Look at my arm. How arm just will breathe. Oh, sorry, from here. Breathe. Do you see? Just a little flying. And then you smooth up. Finished. You go back. Look up. And then you finish. Another arm. Good. Chasse up and up.